Hi, folks. Welcome back. Thanks for joining. So, after last week, the hand sanitizer and the disinfecting wipes, well, I've gotten onto a bit of a cleaning kick. So, today, uh, we're going to do some DIY glass slash multi surface cleaner, and we're going to use it with stuff that we got around the house. And there's a lot of stuff up here because we're going to also talk about some alternatives should we not have just about everything that this is going to take. So, well, we're going to need some water. So let's go get that and then we'll get started. All right, so 1/2 cup of water. There we are. And to that, I'm going to add equal amounts of vinegar and alcohol. And I need 1/8 cup of each. So that is 50% alcohol there. And this is 30% vinegar, what I have here. Now, folks, if you hang around me long enough, you're going to end up buying 30% vinegar because it has so many uses. But you can use regular um, vinegar, the stuff that you put on salads or whatever. Now, this makes up the basic formula right there. But we're going to improve a bit on that. The cornstarch here is going to add just a little bit of cleaning power in the form of a very fine grit. So you just need a 1/4 teaspoon of that. And we might as well mix it up now. Okay, now this is a basic glass cleaner and multi-surface cleaner. The alcohol, of course, is going to take care of any of the grease or whatever that might be on the glass. The vinegar is going to take care of that grime, and the cornstarch is going to give you just a little bite. Now, if you don't have alcohol, well, we can use a drop of Dawn or dish liquid in this as a substitute for the alcohol. And if you don't have either one of those, well, gee, you're not out yet. Just give it a little squirt of vinegar. I mean, lemon juice right there, just like that. Now, that's also going to take away the alcohol and vinegar smell so that your multi-surface cleaner is now lemon scented. And if you don't have cornstarch, we're still not out. In the old days, the standard formula was newspaper mixed with a little bit of water and vinegar. The newspaper acts as the grit, and of course, the vinegar is going to take care of just about anything grit, grime, the grease. And there we are. There we are. Super simple. Nothing to it. And a few ways to do it. And me, I always keep a little newspaper handy just for glass. I clean this a lot. Buffs it very nice and shiny, streak free. So there you go. So bye bye now.